Guys, please make sure you stand to the end. If you don't fix it on time, that will end up in very expensive repairs and it can make your car uncontrollable as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger or Challenger. Why both of those? Because they're built on the same platform, suspension, engine wise, practically they're almost the same vehicles, guys. Now, if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad control arms, stay with us, we'll explain, guys, in this video today how it can lead to some very expensive repairs if not fixed on time, guys, and how it can make your vehicle unstable, which can lead to accidents as well. All that will be covered absolutely free, guys. Our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. On Dodge Challenger, Charger, they're built on the same chassis, same platform, guys, so we will apply to both. We have probably more than 500 free repair videos. On our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos. We make these videos to save you money, guys. We have videos about engine, replacing engine components, fixing engines, transmissions, body work, guys, fuses, relays, all that stuff. We're here to save you money. All we ask in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, guys, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Let's start on it now. So guys, you wonder what are the symptoms of bad control arm, guys? Okay, usually the control arms do not go bad. It's the bushings, guys, and let us show you what we have here now. Okay, this one now, okay, on this side here, let us show you, it's completely, okay, broken right there. Do you see? Okay, let's get the camera this way, okay, so you can see the angle. This one is completely broken on this side now. Let me show you on this side. Okay, completely broken right there, guys. So same thing on this side. Okay, let me see on which side it was. Okay, these bushings right here are done, guys. Okay, they're cracked and they started falling apart. Those are the new ones. So what happens when those bushings start failing, guys? Multiple things that can affect your car in multiple ways. One of them, uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear because the control arm keeps your tire fixed at certain location, right? But when you have plain the bushings, that will cause the tire to wobble and that can cause uneven tire wear, and that could be quite expensive. Nowadays tires are expensive, good quality tires are over $1,000, guys. So that's one of the thing. Next, you may hear clunking or knocking noises coming from the suspension, especially going through bumps, turning, going back and forth, okay, from reverse to drive, you may hear those clunking noises too. Especially if it's wet, you may hear even squeaking noises from the bushings that fail as well, guys. Popping noises too. It may make your car, guys, unstable. Steering may feel off. It may feel like your car is floating. Why? Because you will have play in the tires, and that play actually, guys, is quite dangerous because it will make your car to have poor handling, guys. You may also have excessive vibrations. Okay, you may start feeling tires vibrating, steering wheel vibrating, and higher speeds because, okay, you have playing these bushings, and that will cause, okay, the tire to vibrate, and that will cause poor alignment, which will eat the tires. Now, it's important to fix it on time because it will also increase your braking distance once they go bad. So fix them as soon as you can, guys, okay? That way you will not ruin your tires and you will make your vehicle stable again. Control arms are no joke, okay? If you suspect you have bad one, okay, fix them as soon as you can. Now, if you guys have any more questions, let us know. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our channels. Our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return for these free videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way, guys, we can keep making these free videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.